Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The holidays are almost here, which means it's time to start thinking about travel. Whether you're flying across the country or just driving a few hours, getting to where you need to be this time of year can be super stressful, not to mention expensive. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm sharing some of my best holiday travel hacks to save you both money and time. From booking flights in advance to packing light, these tips will help you keep your holiday travel stress-free and your wallet happy. We're going to cover a ton of ground today, so buckle up, grab a notebook, and let's get started. First things first, let's talk flights. You know the drill, the early bird gets the worm, or in this case, the cheapest flight. Airlines jack up prices as we get closer to the holidays because they know people are desperate to get home or to their vacation destination. So how early should you book? Well, it depends on where you're going, but generally the earlier the better. Start tracking flight prices a few months out. Set up price alerts so you get notified when there's a dip in cost. And don't be afraid to be flexible with your travel dates. Flying on a Tuesday instead of a Friday, or even just shifting your trip by a day or two, can save you a significant amount of cash. One more thing. Consider flying to a smaller, less popular airport if possible. Booking flights is all about being proactive and strategic. Let's be real, planning a trip can feel like a full-time job. That's where travel apps come in. These little pocket assistants can be lifesavers, especially during the holiday chaos. Tech-savvy traveler? First up, you need an app for finding cheap flights and hotels. There are a ton of options out there, but some of my favorites are Skyscanner, Hopper, and Google Flights. Once you've got your flights and accommodation sorted, you'll want an app to keep all your travel details in one place. TripIt is a game changer for this, and listen, I know I sound like a broken record here, but packing light is crucial for stress-free travel. That's where packing apps like PackPoint come in handy. Take advantage of them. They'll save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. All right, let's talk about packing, because nobody wants to be that person wrestling with an oversized suitcase at baggage claim. Packing light is the name of the game, people. Not only will it save you money on baggage fees, but it'll also make your life a whole lot easier. Budget traveler. The key to packing light is to be ruthless. Lay out everything you think you need and then cut it in half. Choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them is a game changer. And don't forget to utilize every nook and cranny in your suitcase. Toiletries can take up a surprising amount of space, so go for travel-sized versions or invest in some reusable travel bottles. And here's a pro tip. Pack a small laundry bag for your dirty clothes. Remember, less is more when it comes to packing.
Listen, I get it. Everyone wants to travel during the holidays, but if you're on a budget or just really hate crowds, traveling during off-peak times is the way to go. Think about it. Fewer crowds mean shorter lines, cheaper flights, and more availability for accommodations.
Now, I know what you're thinking. Casey, the holidays are the holidays. I can't just change my plans. And you're right, sometimes you can't. But if you have some flexibility, consider traveling a few days before or after the actual holiday.
For example, instead of flying home on Christmas Eve, see if you can swing a flight on the 23rd or the 26th. You'll likely find cheaper fares and avoid the airport rush.
Another option is to travel during the shoulder season. If you're willing to be a little flexible with your travel dates, you can save yourself a lot of hassle and money.
All right, let's talk transportation at your destination. While renting a car might seem like the easiest option, it can also be the most expensive, especially during peak travel times.
Public transportation, on the other hand, is often cheaper and more efficient, especially in big cities. Hop on a train, bus, or subway and you'll be whisked away to your destination without the hassle of traffic or parking.
Plus, using public transportation gives you a chance to experience the city like a local.
If you're worried about navigating the public transportation system, don't be. Most cities have user-friendly websites or apps that make it easy to plan your route and purchase tickets.
And if you get lost, don't be afraid to ask for help.
Of course, there are times when renting a car makes sense, like if you're traveling to a remote area. But if you're staying in a city, I highly recommend giving public transportation a try.
Let's be real, accommodation can eat up a huge chunk of your travel budget, especially during the holidays. But don't worry, there are plenty of ways to find budget-friendly places to stay without sacrificing comfort or safety.
Hostels are a great option for solo travelers or groups on a shoestring budget. They offer dorm-style rooms as well as private rooms, and most have communal kitchens and common areas where you can meet other travelers.
Airbnb is another fantastic option, allowing you to rent rooms or entire apartments directly from locals. This can be a great way to save money, especially if you're traveling with a group or staying for an extended period.
If you're set on staying in a hotel, consider looking for deals on websites like booking.com, Expedia, or hotels.com.
Don't be afraid to think outside the box when it comes to accommodation. Look for guest houses, bed and breakfasts, or even consider a home exchange. With a little planning and creativity, you can find affordable accommodation that fits your budget and travel style. Listen, you don't have to spend a fortune to have a good time while traveling. In fact, some of the best experiences are completely free.
Most cities offer a wealth of free activities, from museums and art galleries to parks and historical landmarks. Check out the local tourism board's website or pick up a free city guide.
Look for free walking tours to learn about a city's history and culture. Many museums offer free admission on certain days.
Parks are great for relaxing, people watching, and soaking up the sun. Check out local markets or food festivals to sample local delicacies. With a little planning, you can find plenty of free and affordable activities. We've all been there, stuck at the airport, starving, with only overpriced, unhealthy snacks in sight. Airport food is notoriously expensive, and let's be real, it's not always the tastiest or healthiest option.
But don't worry, I've got a solution for you. Bios. Bring your own snacks. Packing your own snacks is a game changer when it comes to saving money and staying healthy while traveling.
Not only will it save you from airport markups, but it'll also give you more control over what you're putting into your body. Choose snacks that are non-perishable, packable, and provide sustained energy. Think trail mix, granola bars, dried fruit, nuts, and seeds.
These snacks are packed with nutrients and will keep you feeling full and satisfied during long flights or road trips.
Just be sure to avoid anything messy or smelly that could disturb your fellow travelers. Remember to pack your snacks in a reusable container or bag to reduce waste. So next time you're packing for a trip, don't forget to pack your own snacks. Listen up, travel hackers. If you're not using a travel rewards credit card, you're missing out on some serious perks. Earn free flights, hotel stays, and other travel goodies just by using them for your everyday purchases.
There are tons of travel rewards cards out there, each with its own perks. Some offer bonus points for travel purchases, while others offer points for cashback or gift cards.
Frequent flyer? Look for cards with airline miles or lounge access. Prefer hotels? Find cards with hotel points or free night certificates.
Pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Travel rewards cards can save you money and earn free travel.
Use them responsibly and pay attention to the terms. Rack up those points and make your travel dreams a reality. All right, let's talk about itineraries. I know, planning isn't always the most glamorous part of travel, but trust me, it's crucial for maximizing your time and avoiding unnecessary expenses.
Start by making a list of all the things you want to see and do at your destination. Then, prioritize your list and create a rough itinerary, grouping activities by location to minimize travel time and costs.
Be realistic about how much you can fit into each day. Don't try to cram too much in, or you'll end up feeling rushed and exhausted.
Research transportation options and costs in advance, and book tickets or tours online whenever possible to save money and secure your spot.
Having a plan doesn't mean you have to stick to it rigidly. Be open to changing your plans if you stumble upon something interesting or if the weather throws you a curveball. A well-planned itinerary helps you stay organized, save money, and make the most of your precious travel time. That's a wrap on my top holiday travel hacks to save you money and time. Remember, traveling during the holidays doesn't have to be stressful or break the bank. With a little planning and these handy tips, you can have a smooth and enjoyable trip without emptying your wallet. From booking flights in advance and packing light to using travel apps and exploring free activities, there are plenty of ways to cut costs and maximize your travel experience. So go ahead, book that trip and get ready to create some unforgettable holiday memories. Thanks for watching. If you found these travel hacks helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Safe travels.